Okay, so this amoeba part, a little interesting. This one's going to mainly require locating centers of circles. So we'll just draw a horizontal line over, just like my line, making some random, I'm just making some intersections at this point. So once we have that, we're going to start using our offset. 3.639 is going to go over, then it's going to go, well, we got to work our other way down. We'll go down 1.258, select our line down, okay, and from there we gotta go 3.535. I'm just hitting the space button to repeat the offset command, and this is my intersection, so I'm gonna drag this just to help us keep track of everything here. So once I do this, okay, then I just need to offset this 2.776. Select this, go this way with it, and I'm going to just drag this down. Okay. So these are our center lines. I'm going to select all these and just make them into centers. They're not clean, but they'll work for right now. So what we need to do is we need to do a circle. And we'll draw two sets of circles. We're going to hit diameter, 1. That's the center of that circle. Repeat the same command. I'm going to do the radius now and type 1. Next thing I'm going to do is go there, hit D, 0.75 for the diameter. Repeat the command. I want the radius 0.75. Okay, this intersection, I'm going to hit D, 0.75. We really could have copied the previous one, and then 0.75. So, looks good. Now we got to get some crazy arcs in there. So what you can use, this fillet command is pretty sweet for this one. So we're going to type R for the radius, or you can select radius, and type 1.5. Once you do that, if you select this circle, come over here and select it, I'll put it right in there for you. Repeat the command, space, radius, 2, select this line, hit the space bar one last time, R, 1, because you got to tell it's not able to read your mind. Right there we go. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a trim, select these items right here, and just trim those out. I'm going to offset 0.25, just make our center lines look nice and consistent, because we like that. And I'm going to offset this inward just so we can, oh, not F1, so then I can trim this up. So trim, up there and select trim or trim. I'm going to trim this up right here, makes our center nice there. I'm going to extend this EX, and then I can do a trim. I'm going to do an extend, EX, select that there, and then I'll do one more EX. Actually, I'm going to trim it to there and trim it to there. So I can erase this now, I can erase that now. I'm actually going to trim this out, TR. When I do TR, it's the same as clicking that button. I'm going to do an EX for extend. Select that line, extend it up there, erase that, erase that. Just hit an E for erase. I'm going to do EX for extend. Select this line. And do TR for trim. I can erase all this. Looks nice and consistent. There's a part. So we'll make some nice line weights for our object lines. Right there. Go to our weight. There we go. Looking good. Let's just throw some information in. So we're going to do, let's just do the radiuses first. Radius. I'm going to do radiuses because they're not complete circles. Let's do our diameter. Oh, we'll do the radius on these two. One more. Okay, now let's do the diameter. And then all we gotta do is throw some linear distances in here. So there to there. Space, repeat the command. Right here. Right up there to there. And then there to there. That's it for that part there.